Solve Delta Math problems in under 30 seconds. If you're looking for this, you're definitely not alone. Thousands of students struggle with Delta Math every day, especially when assignments pile up and time is limited. Delta Math isn't just about getting answers. It's designed to help you understand concepts through repetition and variation. The platform generates different versions of problems, meaning no two students get exactly the same questions. It also checks for accuracy, consistency, and how quickly you're solving problems. So blindly guessing or rushing without a strategy usually backfires. Why do students want to solve Delta Math problems faster? First, assignments can be long and repetitive. Second, some problems feel unnecessarily complex. Third, deadlines create pressure. And finally, not every explanation feels clear the first time. With the right strategy, you can streamline your workflow and solve Delta Math problems in under 30 seconds. Start by recognizing patterns. Most Delta Math questions follow a similar structure. Once you solve a few, the rest become predictable. Next, focus on formulas and shortcuts. Whether it's algebra, geometry, or fractions, memorizing key formulas saves huge amounts of time. Use the Show Example feature wisely. Don't just copy. Understand the steps so you can apply them instantly. Practice typing answers correctly. Delta Math is strict with formatting. Avoid relying on random answer tools or guesswork. It might seem faster, but it usually leads to more retries, which wastes even more time. The truth is, speed comes from clarity, not shortcuts. So next time you open Delta Math, focus on patterns, practice smartly, and use the tools available to you. Stay smart, stay efficient, and solve it the right way.